Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick video about why I'm not in school today. I woke up Sunday morning and half of my face was, the muscles weren't moving on it. So Miss Burns took me into the emergency room because that can be a pretty bad situation. And Found out I have something called Bell's palsy, which of all the things that can cause part of your body to go numb, it's probably the best. Um, it's caused when a nerve that controls the muscles in your face comes out of your brain, gets damaged by a virus, and but it's not infectious, and theoretically it'll go away over a while. It's gonna take a while, but um, anyway, yeah, so this is me now. When you guys see me next time, I'm gonna be a pirate. That's what I told my girls, that I woke up and I was a pirate, and Miss Burns has described my condition as piratitis, which I like much better than Bell's palsy. This is what you'll see. Half my face won't work, and I can't close my eyes, so I wear an eye patch, and yeah. Um, the uh, the work that you'll need to do this week is listed on Schoology underneath this video. And if you have questions, please message me on Schoology because I'll be able to check that throughout the day today. Um, I need a couple days because I got to work on my new selfie angles. I hope everybody has a good week, and I'll see you soon.